Good morning, children. Children, yesterday we learned about the basically of C.V. Raman in class. So today we discuss about the next continued part of the in C.V. Raman lesson. Open a textbook. The children open a textbook. Okay. Page number 18. Prose. Sir C.V. Raman. Which lesson? Sir C.V. Raman. You know C.V. Raman? C.V. Raman is a scientist. He invention of the light. Okay. So basically information about the C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was a great scientist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on scattering of light and his discovery of the effect of light rays, Raman effect. What is this? Raman effect. The government gifted him 25 acres of land to carry out further research work. Raman Institute was the dream child of Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Trichy. Was born November 7, 1888 in Trichy. He was the son of Chandrasekhara Iyer. His father Chandrasekhar Iyer. And mother Parvati Ammal. Parvati Ammal. Chandrasekhar Iyer was a professor of physics at Hindu College, Visakhapatnam. Raman studied there at the Hindu College High School. He was very much interested in science from his boyhood days. Even as a boy, he had made the model of the dynamo. During his school days, he borrowed science books from college students and read them. Thus from his early days, he showed great interest in science. Unfortunately, he used to fall sick every now and then, and he was not able to attend school regularly. So C.V. Raman was a great scientist. He was a great scientist. We know that in previous class he was awarded the Nobel Prize. He was awarded Nobel Prize award. Nobel Prize, the greatest award for science achievement, Nobel Prize. The greatest award for the science achievement for his work. His scattering of light and his discovery of effect of light rays in Raman effect. So he invention of the light. So that's called as a Raman effect. Raman effect. The government gifted his 25 acres a plan to carrying out further research work. So the government gifted up the to C.V. Raman 25-acre plot because he carried out his work or research. Further, the research work Raman Institute was the dream child of C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was born on November 7th, 1888. Trichy was born. You have Trichy is located by Tamil Nadu. So November 7th, 1888. So he was son of the Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Ammal. So his father is Chandrasekhar Iyer and his mother is Parvati Ammal. Chandrasekhar Iyer was a professor of physics in Hindu College. So he is teaches the physics professor in Hindu College, Visakhapatnam. Where located?